I am standing in what is the new sunroom of this property. Really cool room. We exposed the brick, taking down all that pecky cypress that was here. We're going to keep the old slate floor, which you'll see in a later video because it's covered right now for protection. But we vaulted the ceiling in this room. Check it out. Absolutely. This fireplace will get a beautiful painted finish. Great artwork already planned for that space. Vaulted ceiling, probably in a weathered finish. And check this out. Yes, check it out. We blew out this back wall. It was just plate glass windows when we got the property. This will all be transoms, windows, and doors. It's going to be an amazing transformation. I cannot wait to show it to you. Can you tell I'm a little excited about the Georgian project? This home was purchased by a beautiful couple right here in Belle, Meade, and it is probably going to be one of my favorite projects I have ever done, simply because it is a total redo, which is awesome. But that being said, we are keeping 90% of this house as far as floor plan almost the way it was. I mean, we are moving some walls and opening up some spaces, but we are working with an original footprint and floor plan of this house, and we are just going to give it a new life. I cannot wait for you to see it. I'm Joe Jennings with Ready to Sell Nashville and Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Woodmont Realty. Follow us today at readytosellnashville.com. I'll see you there.